Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 4 mid-level 1 EBL Sporting Goods. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignments or if you want me to do your complete courses, please contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, etc. So this is the fourth chapter of newly introduced course Exp22 and I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by following my videos or by watching these complete videos. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. So let's move to the instruction file and we will start this assignment. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 4 mid-level 1 EBL Sporting Goods 1.0. So this is the title of this assignment. At start of the instruction file you can see this project description. Please read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Main part of the assignment are these steps. There are total 13 steps in this assignment and we are supposed to solve these steps to make this assignment for the submission. But you have to read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So let's move to step number 1 of the assignment. Step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 4 mid-level 1 inventory. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So this is the Excel workbook that you are supposed to download and you will solve these assignment instructions in this Excel workbook. You can download this Excel workbook from your My IT Lab or Pearson dashboard. We will apply each and every instruction mentioned in the instruction file to this Excel workbook. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. That is why we will move to next step and main part of the assignment is starting from step number 2. So in step number 2 it is saying that freeze the panes at cell B2 so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. So this is cell B2 and we are supposed to freeze the pane so that the column labels, mean column heading like inventory ID, warehouse, we are supposed to make this row 1 up to G1 static. So this row should be static so that when we scroll down, row 1 should not move. So we are supposed to freeze the pane as cell B2. So we will simply select cell B2 and go to the view tab now and go to the window tab and go to these freeze panes. So freeze pane, and now you can see that I have made the row 1 static and it is not moving when we are scrolling down. So this is all about step number 2. So next step is step number 3. Convert the data to a table and name the table inventory 2024. So we are supposed to convert the given data into a table and then we are supposed to give the table name that should be inventory 2024. So just go to the Excel workbook, click anywhere in the data. You can click anywhere and then go to the Insert tab. After going to Insert tab, click on this table and you can see the range starting from A1 and ending at G80. So click OK and you can see that data has been converted into a table. So now we are supposed to give name to the table, and that should be inventory 2024. So simply go to table design and then we will look for table properties. This is the table properties and this is showing the name, table name. So we are supposed to type the inventory 2024, inventory 2024 and press enter. So we have changed the table name to inventory 2024. So that is all required in step number 3. So now let's do step number 4. Apply the light green table style light 18 to the table. So now we are supposed to change the table style and it should be table style light 18. Light green table style light 18. So let's go to the table design and look for the light green table style. Light green table style light 18, and this is the table style that we are supposed to apply to this table. So I have changed the table style according to the required step mentioned in step number 4 of the assignment. That should be light green table style 18. So that is all about step number 4. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 5 of this assignment. Sort the table by warehouse, and sorting should be in alphabetical order, then by department, and then by unit price, then by department in smallest to largest, and then by unit price in smallest to largest. This is, so that third sort is by unit price. And then for the department, we are supposed to create a custom sort order for the department so that it display in the sequence training, athletic, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. So this is the sorting order we are supposed to create for the department. So first we will sort by warehouse in alphabetical order. So let's go to the table and click on the home tab. So in editing tab you can see sort and filter and select custom sort. So first sort should be by warehouse and it should be in alphabetical order. Then we are supposed to sort by department. So we will add a new level and select the department from here. And we are supposed to create a custom sort order for the department, that is this one. So click on this arrow and click custom list. So now we are supposed to create a custom order starting from training, athletic. So I will type this one, training, athletic, apparel, footwear and fitness, after fitness, outdoor gear and toys. Outdoor gear and last one is toys. So I have typed according to the instruction mentioned here. This is the custom sort order. Click OK and you can see the order is appearing there. and law sort is by unit price smallest to largest. So we will add a new level, that is by the unit price, and it should be from smallest to largest, and click OK. So you can see that department is sorted by training, then footwear, then fitness, outdoor toys, this one, and then warehouse also sorted unit prices smallest to largest. You can see 3, 13, 53 like this one. So we are done with this sorting that is required in step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far. I am doing these steps and explaining as well, so you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So now I will move to next step, that is step number 6 of the assignment. So step number 6 is saying that remove duplicates record from the table. Excel should find and remove the duplicates record. So now we are supposed to remove the duplicates record that are, so this table has some duplicates record and we are supposed to remove those duplicates record required in step number 6. So click anywhere in the table and then go to the home tab and go to the data tab, and in data tab data tools you can see that box remove duplicates. So I will simply click here. After clicking here, just click OK. So this table had only one duplicate value and that was removed. This is the notification for that. So click OK. So we are done with 6 steps of this assignment, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 7. In step number 7, it is saying that create an unqualified structured reference in column G to determine the value of inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and the amount on hand. So basically in step number 7, we are supposed to calculate the inventory value, and this inventory value can be calculated by multiplying the unit price, this one, with the amount on hand, that is E2. When we will multiply E2 with F2, we can get the unit price and inventory value by multiplying the unit price with the amount on hand. So I will simply type an equal sign first and I will multiply the unit price with the amount on hand, and we will get the result for the inventory value. So that is all required in step number 7. So far we have completed 7 steps of this assignment, and now I will do the next step of this assignment, that is step number 8. So step number 8 we are supposed to do now. Now step number 8, it is saying that apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table, set the amount on hand to the average, format the result to display with 2 decimal points. So first we are supposed to add a total row to this table. So that we can simply do by going to the table design and check this total row box, and you can see a total row at the end of this table that we are supposed to add. Now it is saying that set the amount on hand to the average. So this is the amount on hand column, that is column E, and we are supposed to calculate the average for this one. So average amount on hand is 134.35. Now the last thing to do is format the result to display with 2 decimal places. So we are supposed to change the decimal places to 2, or I can decrease it from here as well. So I have formatted the result to 2 decimal places. So that is all about step number 8. So I have completed 8 steps of this assignment in this video, and only step number 9, 10, 11 and 12. Only these 4 steps are left. I have solved 70 point assignment in this video. But for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete this assignment on your own. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through email or WhatsApp. So let me show you the final version for this assignment so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So this will be the final version for this assignment. In coming steps, we are supposed to apply the conditional formatting to department, and you will get the conditional formatting result like this one. So I have completed this assignments hundreds of the times for my students. If you want me to produce a grade for you in this course, you can hire me to do this course for you, or you can hire me to do other courses for you throughout your degree. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment. When you will solve the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.